So here we have the Ford Fiesta titanium nav power shift, which is the automatic on a 17 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. But from the outside you can see it's a 5-door car with alloy wheels and tinted windows. Let's start off inside the boot and then work the way around the rest of the car from there. So you see this car has got a 60/40 split folding rear seat as well as plenty of boot space. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back round to the front of the car now, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. But now that we've done a full circle of the car, you can see it's in lovely condition the whole way round. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard of this car, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. Okay, so now they're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. On the left hand side we have the rev counter, and on the right hand side the speedometer. You can see the fuel gauge in the middle at the bottom, and then above that the total miles on this car are 12,075. You can change the information that's displayed there by pushing a button on the end of the indicator stalk for various different pieces of fuel economy information all the way back round to the beginning again. And then directly above that you'll see that it will show you what gear this car is currently in. If we back out to the steering wheel, on the right hand side we have cruise control, and on the left hand side we have stereo controls as well as voice activation for the phone. So if you hit that button, ask it to dial anyone in your contacts list, it can do that for you without you having to take your phone from your bag or pocket. That is of course once you pair the phone, and that is done on the stereo over in the centre using the screen directly above it. So before we come back to that, you can see the car has FM radio. It also has DAB digital radio and AM as well, and you can see the DAB just there. If you want to listen to your own music, then there's a CD player. You can plug in a device via USB, or once you've paired your phone, not only will you be able to make and receive phone calls of course, but you'll be able to stream your music wirelessly via Bluetooth audio. And you can see just there we've got the USB connection and Bluetooth audio as well. On top of that, this car's got satellite navigation. There's a full video showing that working on our website, but it's accessed via these buttons just here. Working our way down from there, we've got the climate control, so you can adjust the temperature, fan speed, direction that you'd like the air to blow in, and then hit that button to turn the air conditioning on, or hit auto and the car will maintain 16.5 degrees by taking control of the fan speed itself, which you can hear it doing, and you can see the fan kind of diagram, if you like, has disappeared from there. You can override that whenever you wish to. We then have the fully automatic gearbox. There's a plus and minus button just on the side of the gear lever there. That is so that you can change gear manually should you wish to. And then we've got the 12-volt charging socket and the USB input. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car in person and have a test drive, please feel free to call any of our MJA sites. We'd love to hear from you soon.